We are back live at State Farm Stadium, Glendale, Arizona, in the heat in the Northwest Valley out here. Before we get you back to the block, time for our National Parts Depot preview. And for that, a little earlier, Bill caught up with a very special guest with us today.
Well, you may recognize this gentleman right next to me. He's been with us before. This is Colin. He's the marketing director for NPD National Parts Depot. We're standing next to a 1970 Camaro Z28, and every time we see you, you have another part that helps every restorer out there make the job a little easier. So what do you got today?
Today, I brought an armrest pad for 1970 to 71 Camaros and Firebirds. This is NPD-manufactured right here in the United States. Now, a pad like this has been floating around on the market for years, made by other manufacturers who just haven't done it right. The grain is wrong and the fit just isn't right, so we decided to do it up just the way GM did all those years ago. Fiberglass core, urethane wrap, the correct grain, the correct bends, corners, mounting points on the back, and it's available in all the factory colors as well.
And pretty easy to install. We can simulate an installation right now.
Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Yeah, the door panel is removed. The old pad is taken off, and the new pad just screws right in from behind the door panel. Very easy.
Thanks, Colin. And now here's Colin's favorite book. It's the NPD catalog, specifically for Camaros. And you can get it if you go to the website, too. And we'll see you at the next one.
Absolutely, Bill. See you next year. Thanks.
You bet.
Well, there's the website, nationalpartsdepot.com. They have not one, not two, but 12 full-color, model-specific car and truck catalogs, and you can find out more on the web or call them on the telephone if you like. NPD celebrating 50 years of passion, quality, and service.